Today, we're diving into the ever-mysterious world of Google ranking. Whether you're a seasoned SEO pro or just tipping your toes into the digital marketing waters, we've got you covered. Grab your notepads because we're about to answer the burning question: how does Google rank content in 2024? Google search summarized. All right, before we jump into the nitty-gritty, let's quickly summarize Google search. I mean, with 5.9 million searches happening every minute, it's kind of a big deal, right? Google search basically operates in three stages: crawling, indexing, and serving. In simple terms, it scours the internet, stores information, and then presents it to you when you hit that search button. Search algorithms 101. Now on to the juicy stuff: search algorithms. These complex mechanisms are like the gatekeepers of the internet, deciding what information gets served up in response to your queries. Think of them as the brains behind Google search, sifting through billions of web pages to find exactly what you're looking for. And trust me, it's no easy task. How content is ranked. So how does Google decide which content reigns supreme? Well, it all boils down to quality. Yep, content is still king in 2024. Google's algorithm analyzes everything from helpfulness to relevance, considering over 200 undisclosed ranking factors. And while we might not know all the secrets of the algorithm, one thing's for sure: creating top-notch content is your best bet for climbing those SERPs. Keeping up with the algorithms. But here's the kicker: Google's ranking algorithm is a moving target. It's constantly evolving, with small tweaks and major updates happening all the time. So if you want to stay ahead of the game, you've got to keep your finger on the pulse of the ever-changing SEO landscape. What we actually know about the ranking factors. Now, Google might keep its cards close to its chest, but that hasn't stopped us from uncovering some of the biggest ranking factors. From helpful content to solid link building and a killer page experience, there are a few key ingredients that can help catapult your content to the top of the search results. Number one, helpful quality content. When we refer to helpful quality content, it takes on many forms: blog posts, news articles, service pages, brochures, etc. It is designed to help someone satisfy their search query. This process of creating an SEO content strategy begins by understanding the user intent within a search, conducting keyword research around a topic, and then writing content to match what your audience is looking for. The process ends when you have a piece of genuinely helpful, valuable content that has been optimized for a specific target keyword. In other words, write high quality content that people actually want to read, provide something useful or helpful for them, and match it to an actual target keyword. Or let us do it for you with our content writing and optimization services, which are linked down in the description. Number two, link building. Link building is simply the process of getting another website to link to yours. Its purpose is to boost the domain authority of your website, gain higher rankings, and bring more organic traffic. Pretty cut and dry. This is a proven way to help you rank on Google. There are many forms of link building. Purchasing external links, like backlinks, very risky, unsafe, and Google no likey. Guest posts and outreach, reaching out to other quality websites and requesting a guest post, or responding to requests for expert opinions and contribution to articles on other sites. Naturally, writing better content, fulfilling the helpful content update, will naturally help you gain more links, which is Google's preferred method of link building. Number three, page experience. Officially, this has been removed from Google's ranking system page. However, it has since been confirmed by the search liaison team that Google's core ranking system look to reward content that provides a good page experience. Essentially, for your website to have a great user experience, it needs to be fast, accessible, mobile friendly, and secure. If we look at the main signals for page experience, we can see where we should focus our efforts to help improve our website and get it ranking. Page loading speed, core web vitals, HTTPS, mobile friendliness. You can use Google Page Speed Insights and Lighthouse to help you diagnose your website and start to help your content rank better. We'll provide links to these resources in the description too. And there you have it, folks. Everything you need to know about how Google ranks content in 2024. It's been a wild ride, but hopefully you've come away with some valuable insights to supercharge your SEO efforts. Don't forget to subscribe and check the links in the description to help you navigate how Google ranks content.